Hey, Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate Group, here with Doug Miller of Aspire Home Mortgage. This is going to be our video number 1 in a new video series. It's basically going to take you through the process of obtaining a mortgage from pre-qualification all the way through to signing at the settlement table and buying your new home. So we're going to start this week with pre-qualification. Generally that starts when a buyer comes to me looking to buy a house. First thing I'll ask them is if they are pre-qualified for a mortgage. If they're not, I'm going to go ahead and send them over to Doug, and when they make that call, Doug's going to take them through the process. So you want to walk us through that, Doug?
Sure. So the pre-qual process is a relatively simple thing. It's more or less an exchange of information. So a couple different ways you can do it. We can do it over the phone. We have lots of customers that come down to my office, and we'll do it face-to-face. I've got an online application that people that are more comfortable doing it online, it's secure. They can go in and enter their information, and it comes to me. The information we need to get your name, your date of birth, your social security number, your address, where you're currently living, where you work, how much money you make, and what liquid assets you have to work with. I don't necessarily need all of your statements and all your physical paper at that time. As long as you have a good understanding of what your income is and how your employer is paying you, we can usually work with it. And once I have that information, we then take it into our mortgage software. We run your credit, get your credit scores, and then we match you up with programs. It's also at that stage of the process that if there are any issues that we have to try and address or overcome, we'll talk about them at that time. If there's anything we need to pay off, if there's any small credit blemishes that we have to clean up, that's the point. That's the point where we are going to talk about it and put a plan in effect to remedy those issues for you if they are in fact prevalent. Once we get all that worked out, I give you the various programs that you're approved for, whether it's USDA, FHA, conventional, second home, whatever it happens to be. We go over some preliminary numbers based on where you want your price point to be, and once you're comfortable with all that, I give Brian a call. We let him know that you're all pre-approved and you're ready to start shopping.
Right, and then we can get out and start looking. But I will jump back to one thing Doug said there that's huge and really want to drive home as to why the pre-qualification process is so important. He mentioned that if they come across a problem, which can happen, I mean, throughout my career I've seen crazy things happen. I mean, I've had families ready to buy a house and they find out that they're co-signing for their son's college loan and the son hasn't paid it in 8 months. And now all of a sudden they have this hit on their credit that they weren't aware of, and it stops them from being able to do what they were prepared to do in buying a second home or a primary home. So finding things like that out front and dealing with a professional like Doug who knows how to get by those things, to fix the credit problems, or what you need to do, how you need to move money around or adjust things to get you to the place you need to be is super, super important. So that's one of the really huge issues with, or reasons to get pre-qualified up front, is to get all those things out of the way before you sign paperwork and get excited and get ready to get a house, and then it comes down to before closing and you find out, oh, here's something I didn't know about and now I can't get the house, right?
Yeah, it's huge. And most problems that appear at that stage of the process, they're easily overcome. Just some simple solutions to remedy them. And once you have your plan on how to fix that stuff, it makes your process much simpler.
Cool. All right, so I think that covers everything for pre-qualification. That'll button up this week's video, but stay tuned for next week's when we're going to move to the second step of the mortgage process. Once again, Brian Steer, Blue Homes Real Estate Group, Doug Miller, Aspire Home Mortgage. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next week.